Hey guys, welcome back to A13 Garden. This is Ed, and I wanted to do a quick video about seeds, how to store your seeds. I have a very simple method that I came up with. It's just a simple storage box. You can buy these from the Dollar Tree or Walmart or wherever. Mine has a little clasp on the top where you can lock it in. But inside my box, I have all of my seeds. I purchased a pack of mini Ziploc bags. I think there was like 100 in each pack. This thing's gone a long way. I purchased, I think, 2 or 3 of these from Amazon. But what that allows you to do is, as you're handling seeds, whatever's left over, you can just put them into your own little pack for future use. So I also keep popsicle sticks. I use those for labeling, and I also keep inside there my white labels, like this. So if I'm going to put some description of what type of pepper it is, these are the labels that I use. And that's it. All that stuff goes in here. Close it up. Nice and tight. Good to go. All right. Thanks again for watching. Like, comment, and always, if you haven't already, subscribe.